Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I had this problem as well and I decided to create a tutorial for you because I just have this YouTube channel and I love creating tutorials. So, crashing when you start GTA 5. Annoying, very annoying, frustrating because you just want to have some fun, play the game, relax with your friends, and this annoying problem arrow just starts to start happens, it's very annoying. Okay, but I have a solution. I hope, disclaimer, I can't guarantee you this will work, but I try from my heart to help you because I understand what you're going through, and this is the solution I used and it fixed the problem. And guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. This is the reminder. I'll really appreciate it and would really help a lot. This small YouTube channel really mean a lot. And now let's jump right to the video. So what you have to do and what I did is to install DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click near and download and just install this. Super easy with next, you know, next is pretty easy. Okay, now the next one, you just need to install Microsoft Visual C++, and from here you can just click on here, open this file, and next, it's very simple, install that. And now the third one that you have to install if you have a NVIDIA card is to install this GeForce drivers, automatic drivers update. This will automatically notify of a new driver release from NVIDIA. Also have this from NVIDIA for those that have NVIDIA card, and it's very useful. You also have to be up to date. What I realized that usually when I have problems with a game not starting and crashing, and it's very frustrating, but I throughout my experience, I realized this is just related to drivers not being up to date. So make sure you update your drivers. Click on check for updates, and you also here have the two options: studio driver or game ready performance. You can select game ready driver, and then here you will see if there's any driver available, and as you can see right now there is a driver available right now. I just have to click on download and that's pretty much it. Very easy. Okay, and now click on download here. This will automatically identify if there's any valuable drivers. Okay, that's pretty good tool, I like it. And if you are AMD, click on download here, the same thing. It's very easy, just to auto detect if there's any valuable drivers. Okay, so very easy peasy. And another thing that I didn't know and I would like to share with you guys, what I learned is there where you have to update your Windows, which you should, but I just discovered there's this trick. Click on advanced options, click on optional updates, and here you should have bunch and tons and millions and trillions of updates available. At least that's what I had when I bought this laptop. I had tons of updates here, and usually it's very important to update your Windows to the latest updates that are suggesting your Windows to do so. Okay, so yeah, that's from my own experience, guys, and something that I decided to share with you. And I also love creating tutorials, so make sure you subscribe, guys, for more tutorials. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.